Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Elementor in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account successfully in the upper right corner, now you'll be greeted by this home page right here after opening up your website, where at the left side screen we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started using the Elementor option for our WordPress website. And this is what we have to do, guys. Basically, this is a plugin. So to install this plugin, what we're going to do is right here, the left side screen, click the plugin section. After clicking the plugin section, this is now going to open up this new main page where you can take a look at all the plugins that you can use for your WordPress website. And what we want to use, guys, is the search bar right here. So use the search bar right here and search for Elementor. So after searching for Elementor, it's going to give us this result right here. The first result is going to be the Elementor website builder. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open it up by clicking on it. As you can see, this is now going to enable us to add it to our website. And if you have upgraded your plan, as you can see, currently I'm using a free plan, so I cannot use the plugin. But if you have an upgraded plan and you want to install it, all you have to do is just click the install button that's going to appear right here. Click the activation button and get started adding it to your website. And once you add it, guys, you'll be able to open it up and start using it for editing your website. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.